Have you ever wondered how websites are made? It's like magic, right? You visit a site and everything just works seamlessly. You click a link and boom, a whole new world appears on your screen. It's an experience that feels almost instantaneous. Well, the truth is, it's not magic, it's web development. It's a blend of creativity and technical skills. Web development might sound complicated, but it's actually quite fascinating. It's a field where you can bring your ideas to life. It's about creating something from nothing, using languages that computers understand. These languages are the building blocks of the web. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to get started. Anyone can learn the basics with the right approach. With a little patience and guidance, anyone can learn the basics. It's all about taking the first step and being persistent. In this essay, we will embark on an exciting journey into the world of web development. We'll explore the tools and techniques used by professionals. We'll learn about HTML and CSS, the two fundamental languages that breathe life into websites. These are essential skills for any web developer. We'll discover how to structure content, add images and links, and even style our pages to look visually appealing. It's all about making the web beautiful and functional. So, are you ready to become a website wizard? Let's dive in and start this incredible journey together. Imagine you're building a house. You wouldn't start by slapping on paint, would you? First, you need a solid foundation and walls. That's where HTML comes in. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of every website. It provides the structure and content of a web page, much like the foundation and walls of a house. HTML uses special codes called tags to define different elements of a web page. For example, the tag indicates a heading, while the tag represents a paragraph. These tags tell the browser how to display the content on the page. It's like giving instructions to the browser on how to arrange the furniture in a room. Think of HTML as the skeleton of your web page. It defines the basic layout, where the text goes, where images should appear, and how everything is organized. Without HTML, your website would be a jumbled mess of code, like a house without walls or a roof. HTML is essential for creating a well-structured, functional website. So the next time you visit a website, remember that HTML is working behind the scenes, ensuring everything is in its right place. It's the unsung hero of the web, providing the structure needed for all the beautiful designs and interactive features you enjoy. So whether you're a developer or just a curious user, understanding HTML is key to appreciating the web's architecture. It's like giving instructions to the browser on how to arrange the furniture in a room. Think of HTML as the skeleton of your web page. It defines the basic layout, where the text goes, where images should appear, and how everything is organized. Without HTML, your website would be a jumbled mess of code, like a house without walls or a roof. Now that we have the structure of our web page in place, it's time to add some style. This is where the magic happens, transforming a basic layout into something visually stunning and engaging. This is where CSS comes in. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a powerful tool that allows you to control the presentation of your web pages. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is like the interior designer of the web development world. It helps you bring your creative vision to life by styling your website's elements. It allows you to control the look and feel of your website, making it visually appealing and engaging for visitors. With CSS, you can ensure that your website not only functions well, but also looks fantastic. With CSS, you can change the colors, fonts, sizes, and spacing of your website's elements. This means you can create a unique and consistent visual identity for your site. You can add backgrounds, borders, and even create animations to make your website more dynamic. These features can help capture your audience's attention and keep them engaged. It's like choosing the paint, furniture, and decorations for your website's rooms. Every detail can be customized to reflect your brand's personality and style. Imagine you have a plain white room. It's functional but lacks character. With CSS, you can paint the walls a vibrant blue, add a cozy rug, hang some artwork, and arrange the furniture just the way you like it. This transforms the space into something inviting and unique. CSS gives you the power to transform a bland website into a visual masterpiece. It's the key to making your website stand out and leave a lasting impression on your visitors. Section 4. Creating your first web page, an About Me project. Let's put our newfound HTML and CSS knowledge into action and create a simple About Me web page. First, open up a text editor on your computer. This is where we'll write our HTML and CSS code. Don't worry, it's just like typing in a regular document. Now, let's start by creating the basic structure of our web page. Type the following HTML code into your text editor, About Me. Save this file as index.html in a dedicated folder on your computer. Congratulations, you've just created your first HTML file. Section 5. Viewing your masterpiece. Now let's see our creation in action. Open up a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and locate the index.html file that you saved earlier. Double-click the file to open it in your browser. Voila! You should now see a blank web page with the title, About Me, in the Browser tab. This is your very own web page, created with your own two hands. This is just the beginning of your web development journey. You can continue adding more HTML elements, styling them with CSS, and even incorporating interactive features using JavaScript. The possibilities are endless.